Problem number 11. This is the overdraft problems or unfavorable balance problem. Means the account holder and due to the bank, means is taking the cash from bank more than his deposits. It is called overdraft or negative balance in the point of the customer or account holder. So the treatment is, and as usual, like unfavorable balance or favorable balance, the treatment are slight changes. What are the changes? And we can observe and later. Next, unfavorable balance means negative balance. It will appear in cash book credit side. Negative balance. Already we know about a triple column cash book. Any overdraft is given in the triple column cash book. It is shown on the credit side of the bank column by balance brought down. Means we are and due to the bank. So this is the negative balance. Remember one thing. Next, and observe the problem. What is the problem and what they are asking in the problem one by one. 11th problem. Check had been deposited into bank were not collected. This is a transaction. So, and every check is sent to the bank. First record in cash book, first of all. So, it is the check sent to the bank. It must be recorded on the debit side of the cash book. This is the and record as per the cash book. So, I am also record and debit side of the cash book. Next, checks issued to Karthik Reddy, the supplier, is not been encashed. When we are issued and as per the business, as per the account holder, this is the payment. So, it is also record in triple column cash book credit side bank column. Here cash book means debit column, bank column and credit column, bank column, it is called cash book. So, it is also record on the credit side. So, this is the credit side recorded. Next, there was a debit entry in the passbook, 600 rupees for bank charges. The bank charges information is not known by the account holder. It is only recorded in passbook only. So, this is the bank charges recorded in passbook only. I am also record as in the passbook. And bill worth and 2000 rupees is discounted and dishonored. When the information is not known by the and account holder, it is information held with the bank only. So, when they are discounting bill, it must be recorded in the credit side as well as in the debit side. There is an entry in cash book debit side as well as passbook credit side, but no entry in the credit side of the cash book, only debit side of the passbook. When we are consider bank reconciliation statement, one transaction record and cash book not record in passbook, and this must be remember one thing. Any transaction record in twice, passbook as well as cash book, there is no consideration into the bank reconciliation statement. This is remember one thing. So, the bank and bill discount and dishonor, it is record in the passbook, no entry in the cash book. So, it will show the difference balance between the cash book and passbook. So, when bill discounted and dishonor, it must be bank will be debited on the debit side. It must be remember one thing. Next, as per the given problem and where the transactions are recorded in cash book, in passbook, I am also record as per the and previously record and where it is recorded. I am also record as per the and previous information in passbook as well as cashbook. This is the first stage. And how to conclude which one is under add items, which one is under less items, and what is the criteria, what is the base. First, this is the number 1 point. This is called starting point of the end problem. Every problem and there is a starting point. What is the starting point? What is starting point deciding factors? So, in the problem they are given just like balance as per cash book. The starting point will be there, debit side. Unfavorable balance and bank overdraft as per the cash book. It is shows starting point on credit side. It is remember one thing. So, I know the starting point. I am also record as per the record old previous record as per the transactions, cash book, passbook, passbook. And basis on the starting point and we conclude some of the transactions are under less items, some of the transactions are add items. So, which transactions record credit side in passbook as well as cash book? Or and at the side of the starting point side, this must be record under less items. This must be record on less item side. Which transactions record in starting point side? And this is the only one transactions record starting point side. So this must be record under less items. There is no record on the passbook credit side. If any transactions is there, it must be record in the credit side also. It must be remember one thing. What are the transactions opposite direction of the starting point? It must be record add items. It must be record add item. It must be record add item. This is the way you have to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. And come to the one by one. First one, A, check deposited but not collected. A. So here also this is under add items, check deposited but not collected. This is the first one. Next one, B, check issued but not encashed. This is the B. So it must be record under less items. Checks issued but not encashed 5,040 rupees. Next, come to the C. There was debit entry in the passbook bank charges. This is the C. So it must be added items. Right here, bank charges record in passbook only 600 rupees. Next, D, bill discounted and dishonor. So it is also under add items as per the starting point opposite directions. The starting point side transactions in cash book as well as passbook, and these are under less items. Opposite direction to the starting point, these are add items. What are the transactions? Debit side, and in passbook as well as cash book as well as passbook, the transactions must be record under add items. So bill discounted amount is also bill discount and dishonor is also and add items. So this is the way. Next, first total them. The total of this one 7,130 rupees, add 29,000, 36,130 minus or deduct from that 5,040 rupees, we getting 31,990 rupees. We start with the unfavorable balance of cash book or bank overdraft. So answer is opposite direction. We are start with the cash book overdraft, we getting bank overdraft as per passbook. This is the answer. This way you have to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Problem number 14. Bank overdraft as per passbook. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Karthik on 31st/3/2017. This is the problem. Bank overdraft as per the passbook 6,500 rupees. So bank favorable balance is shows on the credit side and unfavorable balance and overdraft is shows on the debit side. It must be remember one thing. Favorable balance starting point shows credit side. Overdraft balance starting point shows debit side in passbook. It is remember one thing. Next, checks deposited into bank 5,000 rupees. This is the 5,000 rupees. Out of 5,000 rupees, only collect 2,000 rupees. So this is the 2,000 and this is the 5,000 cancel. What is the difference between 5,000 and 2,000? 3,000 rupees must be either add, either less. Uncollected amount. This is the 5,000, this is the 2,000. The difference 5,000 and 2,000 rupees. What is the uncollected amount? 3,000 rupees must be. And add or less as per the condition. This is remember one thing. Next, C. Checks issued but not presented for payment. This is the check issued but not presented for payment. So I am recorded, it is payment, it must be recorded on credit side. Next one, a customer directly deposit into our bank. This is the receipt, customer point of view. So in bank passbook, we must record on credit side 1,200 rupees. Next, bank charges and insurance premium. Both are expenses, so it must be recorded in the passbook debit side. This is the bank charges, this is the premium. Total amount is 500 rupees. Next, dividend collected by the bank created in passbook. This is the income, customer point of view, account holder point of view. It must be recorded in the passbook credit side. This is the transactions, first record and as per the previous information given in the problem. So after that, what is the starting point? This is the starting point. Starting point is depend upon the balance given in the problem. Either balance as per the cash book, balance as per the passbook, overdraft as per the cash book, overdraft as per the passbook. This is the overdraft as per the passbook. So it must be record. So it is also negative balance. So here also, and bank is and giving money more than is deposit to the customers. So it is negative balance. So it is overdraft or negative balance as per the passbook. So overdraft as per cash book is record here only. But as per passbook overdraft, it must be record on the debit side. It must be remember one thing. Next. So what are the transactions record on the starting point side? These are right under less items. This is a less. This is also less item. Both are record on less items. What are the opposite direction of the and starting point? This is the starting point. Opposite direction this side. So this item is also added. This item is also added. This item is also added. And opposite direction of the starting point of the and passbook. These are the opposite direction. So these all transactions record under add items. What are the starting point side of the transactions? The two transactions must be recorded in less items. It is remember one thing. First, one by one, bank overdraft as per passbook 6,500 rupees. Next, and check is deposited but not presented. Check deposited amount is 5,000 rupees and collected amount is 2,000 rupees. What is the difference between collected and deposited amount? 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees must be recorded and under less items. So checks deposited but not collected 5,000 minus 2,000, 3,000 rupees. This is the first one. Next, C. This is the C. Checks issued but not presented for payment. This is the C. So, and the opposite direction of the starting point, so it must be recorded on add items. Right here only, checks issued but not presented for payment 1,500 rupees. Next, and D, this is the D, and a customer directly deposited in our bank. So customer point of view, the receipt, this is the receipt, so it must be recorded on the credit side of the passbook. So it is also opposite direction to the starting point. It must be recorded in add items. A customer directly deposited in bank 1,200 rupees. Next, D after E, this is the E. Bank charges and premium record in passbook only. So this is and starting point side, so it must be recorded under less items. Bank charges and premium record in passbook only 200 plus 300, 500 rupees. Next, and F, last one, dividend 300 rupees collected by the bank created in passbook. So as per account holder, it is a income, so it must be recorded on credit side of the passbook. This is opposite direction of the starting point, so it must be recorded under add items. So this is the add items. Dividend collected by bank 300 rupees. This is the way. Next, what is the total amount? 1,500 plus 1,500, 3,000, 3,000 plus 6,500, 9,500 rupees. From this 9,500 rupees, we are deduct 3,500 rupees and the net balance is 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. The result is also called overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. Why? Because we start with the passbook, we are getting the answer cash book. So it is remember one thing. This is the and 14th problem. Okay. And already we are discussed about cash book, favorable balance, overdraft balance, passbook, overdraft balance, and passbook and unfavorable balance, just like. So this is remember one thing. This is and a way. And first of all, we identify first of all starting point, record in which book, which side. First of all, this is the and first one point. Second one, as per the problem given information, we record as per the previous information. It is recorded in passbook, we are also recorded in passbook. It is recorded in cash book, we are also recorded in cash book. And as per the problem, we are record and as per the instruction of the problem. Then after add or less item, we are and identify basis on the starting point. Any transaction in cash book and passbook starting point, the transactions must be under less items. Any transactions opposite direction of the starting point in cash book as well as passbook, those are in add items. It must be remember one thing. First, starting point amount, add items amount added, then after you get the total amount. From total, what are the less items amount deducted, we get the net balance. The balance is called, suppose you start with the and overdraft balance as per and passbook, the result is overdraft as per cash book. This is the way and prepare bank reconciliation statement.